Hello everyone. When you have added a lot of friends on Snapchat, you may want to know when they post a story or send a snap to you. To get notified about their activity on the app, you first need to turn on the notification of Snapchat. You can either go through your mobile setting or open the same setting from Snapchat. Let's look into both methods in this video. Starting off with changing mobile settings, open Settings on your Android or iOS device. Then tap on Notifications and search for Snapchat. Once you have located the application, click on it and go to Notifications. Turn on Show Notifications and you will start receiving alerts from Snapchat. Now if you want to access this setting directly from Snapchat, you need to open Snapchat application on your mobile device. Then click on your profile at the top left corner. Tap on the settings icon to explore more options. Select Notifications and enter by clicking on Enable Notifications. You will now see the mobile setting part where you need to toggle on the Show Notification button. This way you can receive notifications on your phone for every activity on Snapchat. I hope this was a helpful video.